Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are all well. Okay. So nowadays openings are coming more and more. SAP opening for all the modules, as I am seeing in various sources, LinkedIn, Naukri. Okay. So it's a good time. Just increase your knowledge, practice, practice, and practice. Okay. And crack your interview and got your offer. I am praying from God. Everyone get the job in SAP. Okay, those are doing the struggle from long years, long days, who are a fresher, who are 1 or 2 years experience, and I hope you will get good projects, implementation projects, real time projects, so that you will get the knowledge and you will become a real SAP, PP, QM, or any other model consultants. Okay, I hope for that. So as usual, today I will make one video, very good and interesting and important scenario. That is a STO, stock transport order. Okay, as the name is clear, stock transport order means we are transferring one material stock from one plant to another plant within a company code or other company code. Okay, so that is the scenario. Okay, so where we start, how to map STO process. So I'm telling you one by one. So what will happen? You are transferring one stock, material stock from one plant to another plant. So one plant will become the receiving plant. Okay. Second plant will become a supplying plant. Okay. Suppose 1001 plant is a receiving plant. Okay, you have to receive the material, and 1002 is a supplying plant. They will produce and they will supply to you. Okay. So what are the steps? Receiving plant will create one purchase order. That is a document type will be the STO purchase order. It's not a standard purchase order. Okay. Now PO create with STO. This PO will be sent to the supplying plant. Okay. Then what supplying plant will do? Based upon this PO, supplying plant will create one sales order because he need to sell the material. It's a sale purchase, interplant sale purchase scenario. Okay. So supplying plant will create a sales order based upon the receiving purchase order. Okay. After creation of the sales order, supplying plant will do the OBD, outbound delivery, PGI. Okay. And what will be the movement type? It will be a based upon the sales order, supplying plant will do the outbound delivery. Okay. So once material will be out, it will not reach or receiving plant. Stock will be in transit mode. You can check in MMB. Stock will be in transit mode. It is not completely received to the receiving plant. So what receiving plant will do? Receiving plant will do the MIGO. Overall is a activity, and SD activity, not PP activity. Okay. PP activity only if they are producing in-house and they are creating the stocks in supplying plant. Then this will be a PP activity. Okay. So receiving plant, once the outbound delivery will be created, material has been dispatched with billing document from the supplying plant to the receiving plant. So what receiving plant will do? Receiving plant will do MIGO to receive this material against the outbound delivery. Outbound delivery where created? Supplying plant is created already. So based upon the outbound delivery, receiving plant will do the MIGO. The movement type is 919, as I know, because these things we have implemented earlier. Maybe some other movement type is there, I don't know. But this is the common generic procedure for the STO I am telling you right now in this video. Okay. So receiving plant will do 919 movement and he will receive the material into the receiving plant. So this activity will be complete. I am repeating. Receiving plant will create the purchase order with STO. Stock type will be document type will be the STO purchase order. This PO will be sent to the supplying plant. Based upon this PO, supplying plant will create the sales order. He will do the outbound delivery. He will do the billing, and he will dispatch the material. Then receiving plant will do the MIGO based upon the OBD, outbound delivery, and material will be the receiving receiving plant. So this is the brief information about the STO. I hope you will like it. Any question, any query, just put the comment. Take care and be happy. Thank you.